This enhancement introduces a new Dovetail tool subtype, greatly simplifying tool creation by allowing you to easily specify basic Dovetail tool parameters. To create a new Dovetail tool, you must use the mill planar, mill contour, mill rotary, or mill multi-axis templates. The Dovetail mill subtype is new. Specify tool parameters as you would with any other tool subtype. Saving and retrieving from the tool library is also supported. OK completes the Dovetail tool creation. Dovetail tools support the following operation types: planar profiling, planar mill, Z-level undercut, 3-axis deburring, solid profile 3D, and profile 3D.
Cards. Driven by digitalization.